Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is XML is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is XML? XML or Extensible Markup Language is a markup language similar to HTML but without predefined tags to use. Instead, you define your own tags designed specifically for your needs. It is a powerful way to store data in a format that can be stored, searched, and shared. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short tutorial video on what is XML is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.